This video demonstrates how to use D2L Lumi Quiz. Use D2L Lumi Quiz to generate questions for your question library, then add them to the quizzes in your course. Note that the selected content must be one of the following: an HTML topic, a media topic with captions in English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, or Dutch, or most file types, including PDF. In your course navbar, click Quizzes. In the Question Library tab, click Generate Questions and select Generate New Questions. In the Generate Questions dialog, select the number of questions you want to generate. The question type. Optionally, select a Bloom's taxonomy level appropriate for your assessment goals. You can also add custom instructions to specify the focus and tone. Note, feedback is available for multiple choice, true/false, and multi-select question types. For question source, select custom text to include your own text for question generation. Select course active. The generated questions must be reviewed before they can be added to the question library. Click Pending Review on the first question to begin. If you want to delete the question, click Discard and Next. You can keep or modify the question text if desired. In case you modify the question, click Update and Next to continue. Click Keep and Finish or Discard and Finish for the last question. The question status is changed to Edited or Reviewed. Click Save to Section. Select Save to Current Section, or select Create New Section to create a new section. Then click Save. Your questions appear in Question Library and are denoted as AI generated. The spark icon appears for a question that was AI generated and reviewed by a human, and the person with the spark icon appears for a question that was AI generated and edited by a human. You can create diverse question sets that assess the same concepts in different ways by generating variants of existing questions. In Question Library, click Generate Questions, then Generate Question Variants. Select a question to create variants. Next, specify the question type, for example, written response. Choose the number of questions you want to generate. If needed, you can provide custom instructions to guide the results. Click Generate. Review the suggestions one by one and optionally rate each one. When you're ready, add the generated questions to an existing section of your question library or create a new section for them. Click Save. You can also access this option from the context menu. Choose a question, open its drop-down menu, and select Generate Question Variants. Now you know how to use D2L Lumi Quiz to generate questions for your question library. Thanks for watching.